Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Clipper number 27 grain cleaner. This unit is going to a university to clean tree seeds. We completely rebuilt this unit. We disassembled it, refinished the wood, went through and reworked all of the mechanical systems and wear components. We also gave this unit a few upgrades. We installed ball bearings on the fan shaft. Typically those are a bronze bushing. Ball bearings just make it run nice and smooth and nice and quiet. We have also set this unit up with our ball tray system. You can see it under there. It is that piece of wood right there at the end of my finger that has the screen material on the bottom of it. Those racks in there carry the balls, and as the shoe shakes, they bounce around and they keep the screens from blinding. These are the screens up here. These holes can get filled with the product you're trying to clean, and the balls keep that from happening. Now we have also set this unit up with this gentle handling conveyor. The clean tree seeds are discharged out the bottom. You can see where they come out, the bottom of the seed cleaner there. Then they ride up on this conveyor belt and are discharged here. The conveyor ensures that no tree seeds are damaged like they would be if they were conveyed through an auger. The university that bought this unit requested that we put this more simple feed hopper on. We are doing some work around here today, so hopefully that pounding in the background won't bother you. This hopper is very simple and easy to operate. It is not as complex as a roll feed hopper. We can see that the gate is closed. Right here, that's closed. And then if I pull on the lever, it will open up. Then once you have your flow rate set, you just turn this thumb bolt here, and then you can set it for good. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. It is in excellent working condition. This is going to a university to clean tree seeds. I think we've talked enough about it. We will fire this unit up for you now. Okay, we've got the discharge conveyor going. Hopefully you can see that. The sun is so bright out here I can't see what's on my phone screen. The conveyor discharges at 27 inches. Fires right up, hums right along, starts strong, runs strong. We rebuilt the conveyor and mounted it underneath the seed cleaner. As you can see, again, we did this to ensure that the tree seeds that are ran through the cleaner don't get damaged by the auger. Typically these have an auger down here and that would damage the tree seeds. This will ensure that there is no damage. Because of the power limitations of our shop, we can only fire these motors up one at a time. Now that you've seen the conveyor run, I'm going to fire up the seed cleaner so you can see it run. Here you can see the seed cleaner running, fires right up, runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. And because our concrete isn't perfectly level and this has a shoe that shakes back and forth, I had to put these wedges under the end to keep it from hopping around a little bit. When you do operate this, you will need to bolt it to a solid floor or a solid concrete floor. It's just an all-around nice unit. Again, this was completely rebuilt and it has been adapted and modified to clean tree seeds. You can see the fan turning down there. Just an all-around nice unit. Basic operation of this unit: your unclean grain that has just been harvested, it has contaminants from the field, pods, stems, dead mice, hit this screen. This is called the scalp screen. It takes off anything larger than the seed that you want to clean. The large rocks, pods, and stems go into the scalpings discharge. The grain you're trying to clean and separate out from the impurities then hits the sift screen, which is the second screen. You can see it here. This is your first screen, that's the scalp screen. This is your fines screen, or the sift screen. The seed that you're trying to clean rides on the top of the sift screen. It does not fall through it. And the seed is then introduced into the fan through this slot here. The fan then blows away the light chaff. Everything that falls through the sift screen is discharged out the fines discharge here. That's where your fine dust comes out. After the grain that you're trying to clean, or seeds that you're trying to clean, are hit by the aeration fan and the light chaff is taken out, they then come out the bottom here, and then they would ride up on the conveyor and discharge here. This is an overview of this unit. We wanted to demonstrate it running. We also wanted to document it. We can put more units together like this one for any tree seed operation. This grain cleaner and units like it, smaller and larger, can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. Thank you for watching.